This is PIPP. PIPP is short for Pulse Initiated Plasma Pistol. When the hammer drops, a pulse from the piezoelectric crystal in the hammer causes an ionic cascade in the ionic cascadatron located at the rear of the pistol, and that is snubbed by the ionic snubber and then controlled by the vacuum tube you see here, and then released through the 7 barrels at the front. It's been known to put a 4-foot diameter hole through a double row brick wall, but it takes about 7 seconds between discharges. And wear long sleeves because the radiation will give you a sunburn.